The AIDS virus infects cells in the immune system, causing progressive destruction. As a result, the immune system is damaged and the disease progresses with the onset of opportunistic infections or cancer. Antiretroviral therapies have extended the life of patients but have not cured the disease. The AIDS vaccine, still in an experimental phase, is the next challenge. Scientists expect the AIDS vaccine to activate the immune system, blocking infection and even educating the body to recognize and destroy infected cells.
Per lluitar contra una malaltia infecciosa, la fita més important gairebé sempre és trobar una vacuna. És com per un club de futbol guanyar el trofeu més preuat de la seva història, com podria ser una Champions o com podria ser fer un gol al moment decisiu, al partit decisiu.
Josep Gatell and Bonaventura Clotet are directors of the HIVACAT project, the Catalan Center for Research and Development of Vaccines Against AIDS. They have won the Josep Trueta Award granted by the Generalitat for the scientific research against AIDS. Although there is no cure, antiretroviral drugs have made AIDS go from being a fatal disease to a chronic disease with a quality of life similar to that of the entire population. Currently, the therapy is designed according to the viral variant of each patient, and the medication has improved dramatically.
I això s'ha assolit en molt poc temps. En menys de 10 anys de recerca vam poder aconseguir el primer tractament cap al 96 i des d'aleshores s'ha anat millorant, cada vegada és menor el nombre de comprimits i actualment ja amb un sol comprimit es pot cronificar.
The desire to find a cure has prompted many scientists to put aside competition and work in a network in order to advance research. In a laboratory, there's never a single researcher. The whole team mixes with other teams to join forces.
Organitzar un equip de recerca no és massa diferent que organitzar un equip esportiu. Els que guanyen les copes i els trofeus no són jugadors individuals, és tot l'equip, els que juguen i els que no juguen, i tota una sèrie de persones que estan darrere seu i que fan possible que aquests 11 que es veuen a la tele al final puguin donar fruits.
The big challenge is to find a universal vaccine with both curative and preventative capacity. The research focuses on finding things in common and the different variants of AIDS and the design of suitable antibodies to neutralize HIV. Recent scientific studies have shown that an AIDS vaccine is possible, although much remains to be done.
Hem iniciat el bon camí. Podríem dir que estem al principi de la fi, però molt al principi.